Welcome back to my online video tutorial series on architectural drawing. At the end of this video, you should know how to draw the footing detail for a foundation plan. The footing detail is pretty much the section below the ground that supports the building. To draw the footing detail, we can do this from one of two ways. We can click on the tools, go down to content browser, or we could also use Control-4. It will bring us to this catalog. Our next step is to click on the design tool catalog metric. It will then take us to this section. From here, we scroll down to walls. From wall, we click onto wall. We then click on concrete. And here it will take us to the different types of footing. We have concrete strip. As you can see, we have different types. The one I'll be using is this one. So you can click here to insert into the drawing, or you can add it to the palette. Now, once you click insert into drawing, it will take you to this. And from here, you can determine the width of your foundation. So for this, I want the width of my foundation to be typically 450, but I'm going to change this to 600. The base height, let this be about 200. And change this also to 200. 200. It is important that you set this to center measurement. Set this to center. Once you have done that, you're ready to insert your wall. So you then go across wall, click, move down to the end and click here. First one is installed. Left click here. That is in. Go up. Left click here again. Go across. Left click here. Escape. Escape. To reactivate the command, you need to reset these. These tend to shift as soon as you exit. So I set this back to 200. Put this to minus 200 and click this to center. And again, I'm going to start from here. That down. Escape. That is all I need for this. There's a little excess here. I'm going to left click, drag, and trim that off or delete. So that is gone. Now, to see how this actually looks, let's bring this up in 3D. Now, to see how this actually looks, I'm going to activate my 3D view by clicking on this point here, southwest. This is pretty much basically our footing detail right there. That's it. We could see this in 3D concept, 3D conceptual, right click 3D orbit. And this is basically how it looks, or a footing detail. Yep. And to go back to our regular view, we escape 3D, then click on home, left click top, then click on conceptual, change the 2D wireframe, and we are back. So that's pretty much how we draw the foundation for footing detail for a foundation plan.